climber is a cardiovascular core exercise. It engages almost every muscle in your body, starting out from a plank push-up position. So you do a mountain climber, you start out in a push-up position. Elbows, arms are straight, wrists right underneath your shoulders. You engage your core and you drive your knees up towards your chest repeatedly for 20 to 30 seconds.
So a mountain climber requires you to be able to hold a plank position. Right? If you cannot hold a plank position, we're going to modify it so that you don't have to have your entire body weight on your hands. So we're going to bring your hands up off of the floor, and we can put them on a bar, barbell, even a bench. Okay? Now we're still going to complete the same exercise of that hip flexion, and we can speed it up as much as we want to, but your weight doesn't have to fully be on your upper body.
One variation, you can stand upright. So you're standing up and you bring your knees up high, engaging your core, keeping your core tight, shoulders are back. Another variation is you're on the floor, you're in a push-up position, and you drive your feet back and forth towards your chest, going back into a push-up position.
So a mountain climber is good for a metabolic workout. That's a combination of cardio and strength for you to get the benefits of challenging your muscles while also bringing your heart rate up, which is going to give you that fat burning effect.